There are critical safety situations where you must never charge your Omnipod DASH PDM. These warning signs indicate potential battery hazards that require immediate attention. Do not charge your PDM if the back cover is bulging or cannot close properly. This indicates battery swelling, which can be dangerous. Never charge if the PDM is extremely hot or emits any unusual odor. These are signs of serious battery malfunction that could pose fire risks. If the PDM doesn't turn on within 45 minutes of charging or turns off immediately after unplugging, this indicates a serious battery problem. If you observe any of these warning signs, contact Insulet customer care immediately. Do not attempt to charge or use the device. For customers in the United States, call 1-833-433-595. For customers in Australia, call 1-800-954-074. Beyond these critical warnings, there are important general safety precautions to follow with your Omnipod DASH PDM. If your PDM gets wet, is dropped, or becomes damaged in any way, discontinue use immediately and contact Insulet for a replacement device. Always maintain a backup insulin delivery plan. This could include insulin pens, syringes, or other delivery methods recommended by your healthcare provider. For users in Australia experiencing battery depletion issues, try putting your PDM on airplane mode as recommended by Insulet. Insulet is actively addressing these battery issues through software updates and device replacements. Stay informed and follow their safety guidelines to prevent potential hazards.